Scott. Morning, George. Morning, Green.
Find the right SEO expert for your website.
Okay, okay. Oh, you like that one, Green?
That easy. Fiverr. Freelance services
All right.
on demand.
What up, Scott? Just give me 2 seconds here. Gang, what's good? What is the word? Happy Friday, yup. Yes, sir, happy Friday. 1 hour, looking for a breakout, okay. What up, what up? Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Welcome to the stream. All right, let's do it. When these glasses come on, you already know. It's like dressing into Superman. All right. Let's lower this a little bit. Good morning, Anthony. What's going on, brother? All right, Zoom. And we're good to go. How's everyone's morning going so far? Everybody have a good night last night? Having a good morning? Share screen. This dude over here. New info. Alrighty. Alright, we're good to go. Let me just send this link in the Discord and we are ready to roll. Ready to go on this Friday. Oh, we have some action here in the Discord. Some London session, Asian session, nice. Red FX back at it again. Oh, nice. Nikhil, Uncle Scalp in the chat. All right, good work. Gold, oh, okay. London session. Sam Capital trade in London. All right. Perfect. Let's get going here. All right. So it's Friday, right? We've had a great week so far, man. Couldn't ask for a better week. We've been patient, right? We've been disciplined in our trades, taking them grade A setups, taking only playbook setups, right? Eliminated the impulse entries and just sticking to what we know best. And that's what we're gonna come here today to do, right? We're gonna come here today. We have a job to do here today, and that job is to be disciplined. It's to follow our trading plan. It's not to make money, right? It's not to lose money. It's to become a professional in the craft, right? It's to actually display the discipline and the professionalism that it takes to be a profitable trader. And that's exactly what I came here to do today. I hope you guys came here today to do the same thing as well. So no gambling, just straight up playbook plays here. So that's what we're gonna do today. It's another day to be disciplined in that area. So get ready. Let's do a quick analysis here because the 1 hour candle just closed. Let me just take a look at the 1 hour before we do anything here. Yeah, we're good. So, weekly time frame. Pushed up, did exactly what we talked about doing, right? Came up, retested these highs at this point. So now you have this range that we are in right here. We have officially tapped target. Okay? We officially have tapped target and we have filled this range at this point. Okay? So now we want to see, is price gonna close above this range, or is price gonna reject from this range like these candles have done, right? So that's something that we have to find out here today. This is the last day. It's Friday. It's the last day of the weekly candle. So definitely something to look out for here today, because this is the end of the weekly candle. So let's erase this. Let's take a look. We never did create that bottom wick on the weekly time frame, which is fine, right? Not every single candle is going to have a top and a bottom wick, but this one really pushed up, and I think it had a lot to do with all the uncertainty here in the US dollar and all the stuff going on with the banks and everything like that. So monthly candle is bear, previous monthly is bearish. So this is the previous monthly high, Anthony, right? So without looking at the monthly, I already know we never broke the high, right? So we've never broke the high on the monthly candle. At any point, this can start to, and I truly do believe that this will start to make its way down next week, unless we get more crazy news this week based off of the US dollar, right? So if we break the highs, you do have a monthly celery play, right? If not, we should come down, break these lows, and continue pushing down. But the way it's looking like fundamentally and economically, that may not happen. Like if we keep getting uncertainty in the dollar, right, this candle can make its way up to like break all-time highs. So we've never broken the low yet. We've never broken the high. So we still have to kind of anticipate both pushes up and pushes down here on the monthly time frame. So that's what's going on in the month. We are about halfway through this month, so we'll have to see here. So again, daily candle kind of tapped resistance at this point, tapped our target. Let's take a look at the daily. So daily candle has broken the high here. We closed very weak, bullish, kind of a no, like just nothing happened pretty much. Now, one thing I could say is the daily time frame. If you look, you have this area here that we never closed above. See this area right here? We never closed above it yet. So this is, I've had my eye on this the last 2 or 3 days. I don't think we spoke about this though, but that may be a reason why this candle here could not really push up like it should have, right? Because I was looking at the trade we took yesterday, you know, and just trying to dissect it and see what was going on. And, you know, I remembered about this area right here, this area right here, and we never closed above it, right? So maybe that's the reason we didn't have the juice, right, on yesterday's candle to continue pushing up after that NYSE open. So something to take note of there. But I guess you could say we're bullish, right? We're bullish on the daily. We've broken the highs. Let's scale down to the 4-hour time frame, see what we got going on here. So 4-hour time frame. So these are the previous daily highs, and then this is the 4-hour. This candle kind of pushed up, broke the high, but now it looks like we are back, excuse me, to being bearish here, right? And I'm still open for sells here today because we are approaching that high on the monthly, and chances are we should reject that area if price wants to continue down. So still open for buys, still open for sells. How are we going to find safe ways in? Well, we're going to have to find what we call ranges, right? Ranges on the lower time frame. So you've come up into this area here of resistance at this point, and price needs to make a decision. So 4-hour candle is closed bearish, right, in this area, possibly rejecting these levels, right, and may want to make its way back down at this point, you know. So you have this 4-hour candle. If it breaks the lows, chances are it should be able to come down, either retest this area of support, right, or somewhere down in this area, right? So that's what we'll be looking for here. Now, how are we going to get sells, right? We can't just take them right here. So we're going to have to figure that out, right? So let's scale down to the 1-hour time frame and see what this is talking about here. So 1-hour time frame is in a range right now, right? You're in this range here from 1932 to 1928. Price really doesn't know what it wants to do. It's tried poking its head up here quite a few times at this point and continues to get rejected, right? So something's going on, right? Something's going on at this resistance, and if we do get a breakout, you should be able to see a push here today, right? If you get a breakout, finally a candle closing above, then there's wicks to the left hand side that we should be able to fill here today, right? Last time we actually broke above, we came up and we pushed up into this area. Now all these candles have not closed above recently, so that indicates if we do get a current or a present candle to actually close above, that there should be volume to come up and fill this wick. This will only happen at 8 a.m. or 9:30 a.m. And yeah, so you're probably saying, but what about this high? Well, when volume comes into the market, that's an opportunity for price to fill wicks, right? So you have this wick to fill here. So if we do get a closure above there, I would be pretty interested in taking buys here today. Let's just look left, see what's going on. You know what, being that there is a few other areas, we can probably find the average right around here, right around this area. And let's see what that is. Is that above those highs? Okay, yeah, so we'll hold off. We'll wait for buys above here. So we don't want to get caught up in this rejection here, especially when you look left. It gives you more opportunity to get right, right? Look left to get right. So we'll take our buys above here, which is going to be 1933, 640. Buys above. The only thing we have here today is news at 10 a.m., but I'll be off by then. I'll probably get off today around 10, so got stuff to do today. All right, and now, so buys above there. Now let's take a look at how we could find sells here. Scale down to the 30-minute real quick. Yeah, so we'll look for sells below here. Sells below here. Right now you're going to kind of form some sort of ranges, right? So if we do get a closure below this level, we should be good to drive down. If you look left, price closed below on this candle, right? Price was able to make its way down. Price closed below on this candle. Price was able to make its way down. Closed below on this candle, right? Price was able to make its way down. So no different here. If we do get a closure below, then price should be good to continue to make its way down, right? Right now, you can take your sells below here if you really want to get into a trade, right? The only issue is you're gonna need a range too if you're gonna take this sell. And you have, what is this? 20 pip range. So for me, not really worth it. Plus you're gonna need a range 2, so that cuts that 20 pips probably in half. So you're looking at a 10 pip range here, and then below here you have another support, which is a way stronger support, 9 pips away, right? So these 29 pips or so, not worth it. Those aren't my pips, right? These pips right here, not gonna be mine. So I will wait for sells below this level, because price action says when we close above that, below this level here, we have a much higher probability chance of driving down, right? So that's what we'll be looking for here today. Clean traffic down into these support levels here. All right, you could probably go risk-free right around here. And that's going to be the sells today. So sells below 1927. And then if you want to take your sells here, go right ahead, my friend. But I'm staying out of that range there today. Let's take a look left here, see what we got going on for buys. So we're coming up into these highs here, man. Coming up into these highs. Very interesting. So pretty clean range right here. 47, 40, we could put it up here. 45 pip, 50 pip range for us to drive in here. So I'll be looking to play some ball in this range here today. And where was our Yep, so these are going to be my ranges here today on gold. So pretty much going to stay away from this here today, this range. A lot of choppiness going on, a lot of indecision in here. Going to stay out of this range here today. And I'll look to take my buys up here. Oh, pushing up into these zones. What's going on? Right, and I'll be looking to take my sells below here today. So that's gonna be the story for me. No bueno. Bueno. Cool. Sound good? Sound Gucci? And again, these sells here aren't bad, but remember, they don't look bad. So what does that mean? If we're saying, damn, those sells below there don't look bad, right? Or, you know, maybe you guys are saying that right now. I'm sure there's a lot of other people out there saying that right now, right? So what does the markets know? They know that they could pull a fake out right here, right? And they could do a fake out and continue price up. So that's why we're gonna stay away. But your best bet below here is to try and catch a range 2. If you can catch some other range to form, right, you get a closure below. A lot of times what's going to happen here is price is going to do a fake out and push back up. Right, it's going to break the lows to activate sellers and then start to make its way back up. Right, so we don't want to get caught in that. We want to wait for buys above here. But if you are looking for a range 2, that's what I think we could see here, right? We're starting to see it happen now, this bullish candle starting to form. So, but if you are looking for sells below there, what I was going to say is just wait for a range 2, right? Wait for a closure, right? Wait for the next push, and then wait for your support to be formed, right? Once you get that support formed, now you have a support, right? And now what do we need to wait for? A resistance, right? We need to see a resistance form up here. So now you have a new range, right? You have a new support, a new resistance, range 2 breakout. Start pushing down. But me personally, I wouldn't be interested in it because there's a support here and another support here. I'd rather just take clean sells below there. But for those who are trying to take advantage of below that area, that's probably going to be your best bet. All right, so that's gold here. That's gold. Let's take a look at pound yen here today. As you can tell, I haven't touched any of this since yesterday or last night. Oh, look at this. So let's remove these drawings here. Take a look at the weekly time frame, baby. So weekly time frame has pushed down really heavy on pound yen. Tapped into basically this zone right here, this support zone, and now it's pushing back up. So kind of did its thing this week, man. Really did do its thing. Let's take a look at the daily. So daily closed bullish, which is pretty good. I'd rather see pound yen start pushing up here than back down into this nasty range, right? Really want to stay the heck away from this range on GJ. This range right here was killing us all January, all February. Notice how once we broke out, we really have a lot of volume now, right? So if we can stay above these areas here and push back up, right? We basically created you had to push up. Well, you had to push up from here, came down, push back up now, right? Now we're retesting this area for price to possibly continue to push back up into these zones here. So that's what you're looking at market structure wise. And now you have a bullish candle that closed on GJ yesterday. So if we re-break this high today, high chance that we can drive up to fill these wicks up here. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour now has broken the lows here. So you have a support here, you have a resistance here, right? You were playing around in this range right here for a few, and now it looks like price is starting to break out, right? So it looks like it's starting to break out here. Let's see what the 1 hour time frame is saying. Oh, beautiful 1 hour celery play here. Let's take a look at this. Well, that would have been hard to take because this candle closed back in the range, but you notice how once you broke the lows, you had a big wick here all the way to the left hand side. That wick's getting filled. This area is starting to get tapped at this point down here, and very clean, man, very clean. Let's take a look at the 30-minute here. Nice. Okay. So yeah, let's wait for a 30-minute candle to close here. If you can get a candle closing below these areas, I think you should be good to continue driving here. Yep, right here. If we can get a candle to close below here, sell's gonna be pretty valid because you basically had a range, right? You came down, created a resistance, created a new range, and now you're breaking out of that range. So this would be considered a range 2 here, right? Range 2. So if you get a closure below here in about 10 minutes, we can look to continue on down, take advantage of this range here. See if we can get a pullback. See if we can push through here. We can get a nice wick fill and then a continuation down. And then next you'd be looking at these areas right here. Alright. And then buys are pretty clean if you get a 4 hour candle to close, or let's see what that looks like on the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour buys are pretty clean above here. Let's take a look at the 30. Buys are a bit tricky here, even though we're bullish. So we want to be careful on these sells, right? We did form a range 2 at this point here on the 30-minute, but yeah, where's the daily flip here? Pretty high up there. We've already broken the high. Yeah, I guess if we can get buys above here, that would be ideal, because that would be anticipating the daily candle. Well, that would be the daily flip. And if this daily candle flips, there's a high chance that we are going to re-break this high and push on up, right? So we'll look to take our buys above there. That's our best bet. This is the daily high right here. So we close above that level, shouldn't have an issue driving up. Last time, price, if we look left for some confirmation, right? You had a candle close right here, pushed up. You had a candle close here, right? Pushed up. Candle close, just made it right there, pushed up, right? So if we do get a candle to close above there, should be good to drive at that point. You notice how every time price bounced, boom, bounced off, boom, bounced, boom, bounced up. Here it broke it, but it couldn't hold it, came back, boom, closed above. So it's a pretty high area where buyers become in control. So we'll keep an eye on it. But wow, filling that whole range here. GJ is making me proud, man. Wow. Telling you guys, chat, I think GJ heard us talking a little shit about her. GJ's saying right now, remember what I'm capable of. So, perfect. So we got 8 minutes here on gold, and yeah. Out of everything involved in trading, the analysis is my favorite part. Yeah, it should be. That's the easy part, right? Now is the hard part. Now we have to sit here, we have to wait for price to play out. It could happen on this candle, or this candle could reject. We can anticipate it happening later, maybe not even at all today, but all we know is when it does present itself, we will execute. But until then, you have to wait, gang. You just have to chill, just wait, just relax, let price come to you. You know, you don't jump on anything until the setup officially presents itself. All right. Same feeling. You get problem solving. Love it. Yeah. What up, Corey? Yep. Problem solving. Story time, right? Gold pushing up. Yeah. Yep. Gold pushing. Now we wait, my friends. Wow. Nice move here. $50 pips. This is the ideal celery right here. Right here. When you have a bullish candle with a small bottom wick, the previous bearish candle has a long wick, so that gives you a vantage point right there. And damn, clean range here to the left hand side. Just super. But appreciate you guys jumping on the stream. If you can, like the stream for me if you haven't liked it yet. And sub to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Because we're here every day. We do this every single day, Monday through Friday. And we do pretty well. We do pretty well. So record on stream right now currently is 17 wins, I believe, and 4 losses. I'm pretty sure that was it. 17 or 18 wins. I think it was 17. Sixteen wins. So out of 20 trades, we won 16 of them. Not too shabby. We had 1 break even. We had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We had a 9 trade win streak until yesterday. But honestly, I would have taken that trade again. The one thing I would say is, again, that daily resistance that was there, and then also the previous 30 kind of closed doji, right? We didn't really have a strong bullish close. So just two things that I would be more aware of, you know. Those are the two things I kind of looked at that trade and said, you know, how could we have avoided this, or how could we have taken this better? So yeah. Other than that, playbook, right? It was a playbook trade. Entry was there, had a bottom wick, rebroke the high, right? Entry was there, setup was there. So damn, son. Good morning, John.
Yo, good morning, brother.
Johnny Boombots is in the building.
Yes, sir. Good morning, chat.
Hey, chat. 278 subscribers. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys for tapping in, coming and vibing with us. So that's the breakdown, right? That is what we'll be looking at here today. Can we get a pullback here on gold? 5-minute candles are just pumping. If not, we wait for this 1 hour candle, right? You got lots of range here on gold today. Did you trade London, John?
Yes, sir.
Nice. You taking any trades?
I didn't catch anything though.
No.
No opportunities for me.
No opportunities for me. You heard him, chat? Let's see what happened in the London sesh last night. I actually woke up around this time last night, around 2:30. I didn't see anything.
You were on?
Nah, I just woke up real quick.
Word.
And I just opened my phone to look at the chart, but I didn't really see much.
Word.
Rejection on the daily. Strictly cash, okay. Took partials. Red FX always in the chat here. Looks like people were looking at sells last night. Wow, GJ really drove here. The power of a celery play.
Seriously.
So gold's gonna close up here. We're gonna need a bottom wick here, chat. We get a bottom wick, and we might have some positions here. I don't want to hurt your guys' ears. My magic key's gonna open here. Right. Gonna need a bottom wick. I want to see a bottom wick right in this area here, because that's gonna be our stop loss, right? Gonna need to see it at least come down into this area. like this song is so much louder than the other ones. Doo-doo-doo. Got to re-break this low, and we got to continue down a bit. If not, I'd rather wait for the 1 hour here. So we still haven't had a 1 hour close above, right? Hey, good morning, good morning. Can I ask you something? Trade on lock. They just sell or buy and wait for price to come back. I never understood it. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Not too sure why people do that. It's because they just want to get into a trade, probably. They want to be in it. They want to be a part of it. Those are probably the same people that drank beer and alcohol due to peer pressure. I just want to be involved. It's not how it goes here, chat. It's not how professionals trade. I mean, if it's your setup, it's your setup, but that's probably why they do it. Let me fix this camera here, man. None of y'all told me about my camera. It's just, so the thing about this trade is just there's no valid stop loss.
Correct.
You feel me? Like, I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour because there's just no valid outside of current candle stops, which right now are only 15 pips. That honestly is not gonna work. Not gonna work. Maybe we get a 30-minute celery for 8 a.m. That's something I would be very interested in. Rewind and check it out. The valuable part is the story time. Story time. Yeah, I love breaking down the charts, man. It's just such an art, right? It's such a cool art that we have here, right? If you can really take it serious and
it's awesome because it's like figuring out a puzzle, literally.
Hell yeah. Wow, GJ left the station on us. I should have been early today. The only thing I don't like about the celery here is that the bullish candle never closed below the range. See how it closed back above it? If it closes below it, it's much better. much better confirmation.
Yeah, and I was honestly mostly looking for buys on GJ.
Yeah, plus we were pretty bullish here on the daily, right? So this could very well just be our bottom wick, tapping into where this bottom wick should tap into, right? It should tap into these levels here. So we got to be careful now, right? Because at any point this candle could start to flip bullish, and it would just be a normal day, right? Normal candle. Candle comes down, makes a bottom wick. If we look at it like this, what would you guys say, right? This is a 1 hour time frame. You've come down, right? You've come down, you've respected the support, right? You've closed bullish on this candle right here. Mean rejection right now, right? And we would just, this is what price action says, as long as the low respects this low down here, at any point this candle could start to push up, break this high here, and continue pushing up today, right? So we have to always remember to obey price action as well. So at this point you don't really want to get into sells, because again, this candle now has grabbed liquidity, has made its bottom wick, and can now push up to start to re-break these highs. Right? Price could probably come into this range here today. So we just want to hang tight now. We missed the move, right? That was the move. Well, we didn't miss it, but that was the move, right? If we were going to take anything, that's the ranges that you wanted to trade it, right here. Now, if we start forming some other ranges and keep coming down, then we could say, okay, this candle may not want to go bullish today, right? It may want to close bearish. So, but in order for us to get into new sells here, we're gonna need some ranges, right? We're gonna need to see this candle close with no bottom wick, right? So that's something to look at too. But you know, you may very well see this candle now pop its head back bullish, right? We continue to go up. Now, if we do end up creating a new resistance, right, and we can't make it up, then yeah, we could look to take ourselves coming back down. But as of right now, we would need two things to happen before we even look at that. We would need a support, we would need a resistance formed, right? A bearish closure back in the range here, and then we could look to take sells. But at this point, GJ has done the push down, and yeah. So we're tapping into this area which we really want to see this tap into. 30-minute celery play would be perfect. At 8 a.m. I think that's what I'm gonna wait for. And once that happens, I'm gonna execute on that with full confidence and no emotion, right? Like this comment here. I like the way Nick takes trades with no emotion, gives all the time in the world to make an A setup. Yep. When you sat on the charts as many days as I have and done all the back testing I have as well, you'll realize that candles are always coming, man. They're like waves, right? They're just non-stop. They just keep coming in. Just keep coming on in. So there's always another setup around the corner. No need to ever rush anything. But at this point, I'm gonna be waiting for the celery play. If we can close something like this, stay bullish above this zone, next candle should be good to come on up here. So you could take a picture of that. Excuse me, and we'll see if that comes about. If it drives right now, it drives. If it drives, it drives. 4 hour needs a bit of a pullback. In 2018, 2019, Nick used to send me marked up charts, and Green would say, "What the is this? Stop sending me this." I was trying to put greenery on, man. 410. I was trying to put him on. He caught wind of it though. And now he's doing his thing. Good times, Green. I could find some charts for y'all. Some old charts. What was that? 2019, right? I'll show you guys some old charts while we wait here. I remember I got a picture of John too.
Oh shit.
When I first put my brother John on with trading. Yeah, that wasn't 2018, that was 2019. Or maybe no, I think that was 2020. Because when I got married in 2019, in April, I wasn't really trading just yet. I was starting to learn, but I wasn't really. January of 2020 is when I really made the step to really take on this challenge, right? To take on this craft. Before that, I was just getting signals and stuff, you know, trying to flip my money. Let me go to my photos. Yeah, when did you guys start trading, chat? Put in the chat when you guys started trading. What year? What year was it? I'm gonna find you guys some old charts. Hey, all my pictures with Corey. Hey, Corey, you seen the thumbnail pic? Shout out to Corey. This right here was when I first started learning. December 11th, 2019. Look, what is a trend? I didn't even know what a trend was at that point. The overall direction of where the market is going. If the market is going up, it's called bullish trend. If the market's going down, it's called a bearish trend.
Wow.
Lower, high, higher, low. Trend is your friend with a little smiley face. You see that? Identifying trends help traders find the best place to enter. Support and resistance. Look at that, chat. Crazy, right? This is the first time I ever started really learning. And that was, what day was that? December 19th. I'll show you guys some markups.
Your proof of growth.
Look at this, chat. So this is how I would trade from key level to key level, and looks like I was getting into a trade here. So we had basically a bounce off a trend line. So that's why you guys, when you guys talk to me about trend lines and key levels, like, trust me, I know about all that stuff. Moving averages, see the moving averages I had? Look at all the pairs I was trading. Look, I used to love GU, GJ was always there. That's what we were trading right there. You see that, GJ? And yeah, had a bunch of pairs up there. Started from the bottom, now we here. Yup, Joe, my brother Joe knows. Joe knows. John knows.
Sir.
But Joe really knows, because he's seen the real. John was still a little younger, but Joe's seen the real.
The 10 years ago, right?
Yeah. Look at here, chat. January 24th, 2020. This was my trading plan. Goal: provide a full-time livable income by consistently withdrawing profits from my trading account on a weekly, monthly basis. I still stick to these time frames. Oh, look, smart money concepts was in there. What now? Fibonacci. London and New York session I was trading. I didn't have kids back then. These are the pairs I was trading: EU, EJ, GJ, GU, and that's when I was starting to look at gold. Open trades of three open trades max. Look at, so this is my entry, right? I needed a trend direction. I needed to know the key levels of the structure. Wait for a break and retest, and price action. So I didn't use many indicators. Exit would be the Fibonacci levels. Previous level. Yeah. Shit. I think Tandy tried. Oh, Tandy's in. Pretty interesting, right? Morning, boys.
What up, what up?
Yo, what up, boys?
Good morning, good morning.
Morning.
Trying to find some old charts. This when I first started learning about Raja. Oh, what do you know? Like, it's a celery play too. So I remember he was like, screenshot this, screenshot this. This is ideal setup. This is what you want to look for. And I remember taking a picture of it. Look, celery play. Price broke support. Price made support, and then a break of the low. And little did I know that was gonna be my favorite play ever. Crazy. I didn't even know that was a celery till just now. We got 10 minutes here for gold. This one thing started making a little bit more sense to me. This one I was starting to message Green right here. This when me and Green started talking. This when I was working with somebody else, just trying to learn, just trying to wrap my head around it. Crazy. Crazy. Can't find any markups though. I'm sure Green got some of my markups.
I got some from our chat or the Telegram that you had.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's true. Yeah, no, I can't find any. I remember this play like it was yesterday right here. So I would scale into these trades. 3 entries. See, I was targeting GJ key level here, 152,500. See, 153,500, 153 even. So these are all levels that GJ likes to respect. But yeah. Take a look at this. Looking at the 1 hour, we have a range. Wait for price to break above or below the range. Got that closure. Price breaks above range, then we wait for the next 1 hour candle to pull back, create a bottom wick, right? That's what we're doing now. Retest the top of the range. Enter buys the break of the highs. And you have your 100 pips. Huh. Pretty interesting. A layout here with some money. Layout here bulling. Damn, son. Little kids getting money. Yeah, I'll find some other chart markups at another time. I think I have them on Snapchat or something. But anyway, got a couple more minutes here. Our salary pay looks like it's showing up pretty well, and if it does, we're gonna take a buy here. Catch ourselves the best win ever. The biggest win of your life. And then we're gonna come back Monday and do it all over again. I always love this one right here. There are more than 2 genders. Da, 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 da. Fit type, man or woman. Gotta love it, gang. I ain't even gonna say anything, but just know you don't even have, parents, you ain't gotta do this. You ain't gotta do that. You ain't gotta do it. By the way, that's what they want to give your kids until 15 years old. Holy.
Screw that.
No point in one of them. You don't need not one. But yeah, chat, I'm gonna get out of my pictures here because the 8 a.m. NY session is about to open and we are about to see volume come into the market. 21 watching. If you haven't liked the stream, give us a like. If you haven't subbed, sub to the channel. We're at 278. Can we get to 280 before the NY open? All we need is 2 more. Shouldn't be hard. I know there's 2 people watching that aren't subbed. Oh, okay. We got our 2. Thank you guys. 280. So yeah, we want to see this close pretty just like this, right? If it closes just like this, that's going to be pretty ideal. And we'll look to take our buys. We've broken above that range, right? So we'll look to take our buys now, pushing up here. We're closing above this area too, which is great. And again, we've already looked left. We've already determined that when we close above, we're able to see a nice push. Look, this happened earlier. Same exact play right here. This is what we're expecting here, chat. See this play right here? That's exactly what we're looking for. Minutes like a celery play also. So if the next candle now, right, you've created a support, the next candle should start to fly. Right, next candle should pop. Oh! I could just see like everyone just chilling on their phone, you know, just scrolling. And then once they hear that sound, they're like, oh, shit. Let's get ready. Is it 8 o'clock already? Damn. I don't know what this guy was talking about the last 15 minutes. I'm here to take a trade. Alright, we got 1 minute here. Alright, so stops are going to be kept below this wick here. And entry is going to be at the break of this high. So we're going to need a little bit of a bottom wick. But that's going to be the trade. Make sure you account for spread. And target's gonna be first target's gonna be this like 1938 area here. All right, chat. So I'm gonna have a buy stop here, and let's see if we can get a little bottom wick. But once we break these highs, we should be good to drive. We got 8 a.m. volume coming in. Should be able to fill this wick pretty easily here. All right, that could be our bottom wick for us to continue pumping. All right, so I'm in here, chat. Got into a buy here. Stops are below this candle. Full TP is gonna be up here.
I think I'm gonna trail my stops with the wick fill.
Not a bad idea. We've broken the high. Price should be good to drive. The 1 hour still doesn't have a bottom wick, so that's what you could be coming down to do, but it should respect the 30-minute low. Yo, good morning, Sam. What's up, brother? Buy, yeah, we're in a buy. Yep, got into a buy here. You should start to see a push now. Yesterday I had 6 yogurts, today I have 6 waffles. My man devoured those yogurts yesterday. They didn't stand a chance. That's pretty funny. Six yogurt. That's a whole pack there. I believe the pack. It's like a 6-pack, right, or a 4-pack. Damn, son. I remember John used to eat yogurts like that.
Sure.
Let's
And then the break of that wick fill will be the break of the daily highs too.
Yep. Let's mark this up real quick. So we got 8 a.m. We got 3:17:23. We've got gold. Buy. Breakout. Celery. 30-minute. See if we could re-break that high, that would be perfect. Volume should only be getting better as we get to 820. Yeah, as we get to the comics open, that should be very nice. Yeah, as we get closer to 820, it should start pumping volume into. That should be nice. Oh, it's Friday, yeah. Start to get some volume here. So chat, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my stop right here and trail it below the current low.
That's what I just did as well.
So we just cut our stop from 22 pips to about 12 pips now. And we should be able to see a nice push here. We re-break the high, I'll go break even, and then once we get to this gray area, I'll probably close some partials. Only got about 11 pips there, chat, so still holding. Perfect. So I'm gonna move stops to BE. We'll make it a risk-free trade, and I'm gonna close some partials right there. So close some partials, move stops to break even. I'll hold the rest of this till we get up into this zone here. So W chat, risk free at this point. Now let's see if it can drive. We got 820 coming up here in a few minutes. Should be able to continue pushing. W's. But with all the volume coming in, it should be able to continue driving now.
Yeah, I didn't close anything.
Yeah, if you didn't close anything, don't even worry about it. Should be good to drive.
Full margin right now.
Yeah, I opened up a, what was that? 16 lots on that.
Man.
Still got a 3 lot running, 4 lot running. I watch for sells here because this is the monthly resistance exactly. So that's why I wanted to close partials right up there. Now if we re-break, awesome. We should continue up, but you've broken that, you filled this wick, right? So we've broken it, which is really good because now we can continue pumping potentially, right? Up into these levels here for the daily. We've officially broken the wick. If we do break this wick, then it should start to run up a little bit closer up here. Still got room to respect the monthly. We have 5 minutes left for 820. If this candle, if you get a bearish candle on the 5 before 820, usually that means it's gonna follow with it. So either way, we're at break even. Probably move my stop just a little bit in profit here. Just a little bit. Come on, baby. Come on.
Oh.
Alright, we're breaking the 5 low, so yeah, I'm probably gonna get tapped at BE here. Oh, okay. There we go. Go.
Come on, climb.
BE? Oh, I'm still in. Still in. Still about 7 pips up. Oh, snap.
Let's go.
Let's take a look at the 30. 30 still looking clean. 1 hour looks really clean, just really no bottom wick. Oh, okay, new 15 open too, so that was your bottom wick on the new 15. So yeah, if we can come up here, fill this wick, and fill the range, that would be lovely.
Oh.
W's chat. If you guys took that trade, let's get a W in the chat. And what it says, top chat, top click in. Select live chat. Where's that at? Live chat. Okay. All right. W's chat. So I got 17 pips out of that, and I'm still holding a runner. We have 820 volume coming in here in about 2 minutes. That would be amazing if this 15 could re-break the high and start pushing up for the COMEX Open here today. I really want to stay in this for the next hour or so. Oh yeah, I got tapped that BE there, chat. Break even hit for me. But secured 17 pips on that, so. Might be also getting a 15 salary for those that haven't moved stops or anything. Beautiful, beautiful. Here comes the COMEX Open. That was what pushed it down a little bit. And now you should continue to run. Wow, just got me a B. So beautiful trade there. Price going ahead, filling this range, doing exactly what we wanted it to do here. Let's mark this up. So 17.
Damn.
You gotta tap that B.
Yep.
Oh wow, look at that. There it goes. It's alright, no worries.
Yeah, I'm showing up my stops at trend candle.
Beautiful. There she goes, chat. There she goes. I would say we could have trailed stops. Hey, you guys wanted to trail the stops, right? But yeah, if you would have left your original stop loss, then right here would have been straight. Beauty. Yeah, so this is where I'd be probably looking to lock in some profits there if I was still in this trade. Tapping back into this range now. Pretty clean. Clean move, gang. Clean move. Beautiful. Close 50%, other 50, nice. Beautiful, man. Beautiful, George. Good work. That's the trade, baby. Yeah, you're looking at about 50 pips at this point. Amazing. If you took the trade, you can tag me on IG. My Instagram's right here. Tag me in your story. I'll repost it. But beautiful dub, man. Should come up here to 1942, and then that'll probably be the run there.
Wow, that was amazing. John, you kept that?
Not that. Yeah. I'm never going up. Again.
That was freaking crazy.
That was beautiful, boys.
It was beautiful.
Great trade,
My
everyone.
man Nick, why'd you move that stop so quick to break even, bro?
I had a 16 lot open. And
Over risking, huh?
no, I was fine with the risk. But at that point,
close early then.
if price did want to come back, I really wasn't comfortable sitting in drawdown.
But you didn't think because we broken already those highs, it was just gonna come back down, retest the broken high, and then push back up?
So the only thing I would have done different, my BE didn't get hit actually. I actually moved it into profit a little bit, and that's where price got tapped. Yeah.
I see. I thought you just went BE as soon as you popped.
No.
Yeah, well, solid.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Can't hate it.
As expected, right? I was really expecting 1942, 800 here, so I don't know if we'll get there, but we should. Stick to the plan. Yeah, that was my plan. Pretty much once we started breaking these highs, trail stop here, and then once Comix was coming in, I didn't want to keep any risk on the table at that point. So, but another one. So we had to break the win streak yesterday to start a new one up. So last win streak was 8 or 9, I think, and now we're gonna go for 10, 11. Yeah, such a fine line when to move stops to BE. You want to do, you want to let it do its thing. Of course, of course. If that came back and you lost money, you would sit here and be upset that you didn't move to break even. Exactly. You have to stick to the plan. Whatever your plan is, just make sure you stick to it. And I'm cool, man. I'm chilling. That was more than enough for me today. Oh, sheesh. Celery play here as well. Yeah, we're too caught up on gold here. No GJ right now. Just got to do what you think is best. The market will do whatever it wants to do. Exactly, exactly. I'm telling you, I really wouldn't mind only taking celery plays from here on out. Yeah, no, it's not a bad idea. Buy for most comfortable trade to be in. Yep. We waited for this, right? We at 8 o'clock, right? We looked to sit till 8:30 for that celery. I mean, at 7:30 we looked to wait for 8 a.m. right? So you have the break at 7, you have the pullback here at 7:30, and then we talked about 8 a.m. volume coming in. That we were looking for a small bottom wick, nothing crazy, and then once those highs break, that's it, right? So that's what we got. Another reason is we didn't have any, so we didn't have a bottom wick on the 1 hour time frame. So that was another reason why I wanted to take risk off the table, because this candle, just as easily as it popped up, this candle could have also came back down and closed below the range. Like that, right? So we didn't want to. I didn't want to get caught up in that either, especially with the daily candle not having. I mean, the 1 hour with no bottom wick. So these are just reasons why. But I do believe 1942, 600 should get tapped here. But yeah, it just got me there. Just freaking got me. Came down to tap me out right here and then push back up. Celery is basically the 5-minute creating support. That's why I like it. Yeah, that's true. Yep. Beautiful 30-minute candle here, chat. Good work, boys and girls. Good work. Yeah, there's news at 10 a.m. here today. Amazing. Target tapped. Target tapped. Let's see what that was. Was that a... 78, 79 pips. Wow, just amazing. A lot of volume there, chat. Lots of volume. Shit, man, my runner would have done work. Push it, push it. Don't worry, chat. No foam. That was an amazing trade. For those who held full, congrats. If I would have held full, that would have been a $13,000 win. But I had to take what the markets give me, man, right? I had to go according to the plan, so still made some good money on the account here.
All right, boys, I'm out of here.
All right, buddy. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Have a good
have
one.
a good day. I'll catch you guys Monday.
Monday.
Peace.
Peace, peace.
See my man. Oh, missed him.
Da, da, da. You still holding, Tandy?
That was full TP right there. I got out at 44.50.
Beautiful. You still holding, Jay?
No, he got out at 40. Like
I'm all out at 40, son. That was
Oh,
my
okay,
TP.
nice.
he was scared. Bitch.
Talking about scared. Who was telling you 45?
Touche.
Tandy got the Tandy got them diamond hands, baby.
The diamond hams.
Look at this thing
Oh.
ripping. Just look at it. Just look at it.
Well,
Coming
this
up.
was expected. You broke the weekly and the daily highs here.
Oh, yeah, we're coming up right here now, chat. 46 is next. Holy. Love it. Oh, Raja took the trade too? Nice. What's he looking at? The 5 minute? 15. Yeah, Raja got same entry as us. A little bit lower. Wow, look at that hourly. GJ closed no bottom wick here. Right at support. I'll be right back, right, y'all? Where to next? Holy. Okay. Amazing trade, yeah. Levels being marked correctly, yes sir. That was nice. Let's see where we came to. What did we tap? Tap this support, I guess. All right, perfect. Well, that was the trade there, chat. Another W. On to the next. So the 4-hour candle is going to close up. Let's redo everything here. Yeah, if you get a 4-hour close on GJ below here, should continue. But did we break the daily low? Not yet. Yeah, it's a little rough. Gold, let's take a look at gold 4-hour here. Man, gold still has plenty of room. Gold's got room, man. If gold wants to push today, like it's looking like it does, you got this whole range here. Recording for blast off. Clean candles to the left hand side. Pretty clean range. We'll have to wait for 9:30. We'll wait for a celery. If we get that, we'll take another position. If not, we'll just call it a day. Call it a Friday. But we'll wait here till 9:30 at least. At least. Everyone like the stream for that W word. How are we looking on the stream? Bro, it's Friday. I grabbed my pips. Such a fun. Oh, live chat's going. Cool. I see. If you haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the stream, and we may get another position in here today. If not, I'm more than Gucci. I got my whole loss back from yesterday, plus some. Plus. Hey, let's go. Oh, baby. Big move for Uncle Scout. Good work, bro. Beautiful. Are we waiting for news? We're waiting for the 4-hour candle to close now. Yeah, just waiting now for the 4-hour. 4 hours gonna close here in about a couple minutes, so just waiting for that. Looking to see if we can close above 1938. What's the difference between live chat and the other one? I'm gonna head out, Nick. Enjoy your weekend after this awesome week. Yes, sir. Be back next week for the same thing. Yup, 100%. Have a great weekend, Sam. Hold on, chat. Live chat doesn't block certain messages, so you can see the entire chat and what's going on. Oh, okay. All right, Sam. Later, brother. Sheesh. GJ is ripping still, huh? Close with that no bottom wick there, so we'll see if we can close below. Pretty overextended at this point. This was your entry right here. This was at 7, so we missed this. Nice. Is gold gonna tap all-time highs here or what? This monthly top wick is trying to hold strong here. Man, this monthly might get this wick might break here by the looks of it. Sheesh. It's no surprise we really ripped up this week, right? A lot of uncertainty in the US dollar. No bottom wick, just right out the gate on Sunday, just pumped. Sunday to Friday here. Today also, no bottom wick here. If this had a bit of a bigger bottom wick, I would have been more comfortable holding this through these ranges. And daily. We had the weekly here. Yeah, we ain't getting no bottom wick on that weekly candle, I'll tell you that. Wow, we're gonna break these monthly highs here? But we showed up and we did what we came here to do today, all right? We spoke about it early in the morning, what we were here to do today. And we waited patiently, right? And we waited for that setup to show up, right? We've seen this break above here at the end of 7 a.m. to 7:30 candle. And we didn't get itchy. We didn't get, let's take a trade, let's get in on the flip of this candle. Like, we didn't do any of that, right? We logically said, you know what? We've broken. It's 7:30. 7:30 may want to grab some liquidity. Let's wait for a bearish close and make sure that we just stay above this range here, right? And that is exactly what we got. So we said we'll execute on the break of the high and look to take price up, and nothing like a plan that comes together. And it just continued ripping. Sheesh. Hey, Nikolovsky. Hey, yo, what's up? Yo, Nick, what up? Yup, so did what we came here to do today, chat. That was the plan. Remember, your job is not to win or lose here as a trader. Your job is to make sure you stick to your plan. And we know that on this stream, when we stick to our plan, we win 8 or 9 out of 10 trades. So it makes it very easy to stick to our plan, right? Very easy. Nikolovsky's got like 9 usernames here. Nikolovsky here. Hope you took that trade with us, Nikolovsky. That was definitely a 3-pointer. That was definitely a game winner. Game winning 3. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, you should see a pullback here now. Last 15 of the 4 hour should pull back, and then if you can kind of create a new range on this 15-minute time frame, I think we're gonna, right? Let's say we close like this, so the 4 hour close is bullish, but like right up here. Then we're gonna need a bottom wick on the 4 hour, right? So you're gonna need probably another 15-minute candles, 2 15-minute candles, and then look for a support around 9:30, 9:45 for price to continue back up. So that's a possibility because we're gonna need a bottom wick, right, on a new 4 hour candle. So gonna need a little bit of a pullback as well, a little bit more than this. You want to see these 15-minute candles start closing bearish. Oh baby, man, this thing is 4 hour might close with no top work. If the 4 hour closes here in 5 minutes with no top wick, I'm probably just gonna call it a day. But thanks for showing up, everyone. Showing up for your future today.
Forex.com.
Forex.com. Yeah, so we're just waiting. Just waiting. We got 4 minutes here. Less than almost 3 minutes left. Where would I be? Can we get this pullback or no? But yeah, chat. You see, I moved my stop and into profit here a little bit, and we just got tapped. If I would have left my stop at break even, then I think I'd still be in that. But what are you gonna do, right? What are you gonna do? Will we close with no top wick in 1 minute here? Five, four, three, two, one. Boom. Yeah, chat. I'm probably gonna call it a day here. Took a nice win. That's all we really needed here today. Beautiful celery play on a Friday, so couldn't ask for anything better than that here today. Ran about, I think, 75, 80, 85 pips. So beautiful job. If I do take any trades, I'll make sure I call them out in the signals chat. But other than that, man, great morning, early morning. Get off the charts, have a great weekend, right? Go shut your charts and just enjoy the profits of today, right? And then we'll come back next week strong, and we'll look for more positions. All right. Love you guys. Peace.